Okay, if you're watching this video, you have already completed lessons 1 and lessons 2. And that means you have already done an exercise. I don't have to tell you in detail what you need to do first. Complete the exercise in the workbook. That's your first step. Your second step is to compare it to the answer key that is also in your workbook. After you do these two things, if you feel like that doesn't make any sense, go to the Learn Haitian Creole group on Facebook and ask questions. Ask very particular questions. Compare your sentence with the sentence and the answer key so that you can find out from one of the members what was different. Because it may turn out your answer is correct, but it's just another way of saying the sentence. Now, I am going to help you to articulate the sounds and also break down the sentence for you in Creole. So your first sentence was al baigner. Répétez, al baigner. Baigner. Al baigner means go bathe. In modern English, you would say go take a bath. But you have learned Creole is literal. We don't tell someone to take a bath like they're taking an object. They're going to go bathe. So if you want to say in Creole, go take a bath, again, you would say, al baigner. Okay? Number 2. This was one of our sentences in the practice drill. Prends-ly. Répétez. Prends-ly. Prends. This means take it. Obviously, Lee means him and her also. So if your answer was take him, take her, that is also correct because Lee means him, her, she, it, his, and to read. Number 3, gardez tante nous. Répétez, gardez tante nous. This means look at our aunt, or look at your, plural, y'all's aunt. Or this can also mean watch our aunt, or watch y'all's aunt. I'm going to say y'all, even though in the northern region of the United States, the northern, I would say also the central region where I dwell, the Midwest, we don't say y'all, but for me to keep saying you plural, it might be difficult to remember. You singular is oo. You plural, and we will use the word y'all, is new. People in the South are very happy with me right now. Okay? Number 3 was gardez tante nous. Now we're going to do number 4. Number 4 and 5 was going from English to Creole because I wanted you to practice both skills. Because starting in lesson 6, you're going to be diving deep into translating Creole to English because you will be doing 10 sentences per exercise and 10 sentences per homework. Remember, exercise is exercice. That is the word I will start using. And remember, homework is devoir. If you said devoir, bien fait. As you are learning words and phrases, I will start to use those words and phrases so that you can hold on to those, okay? So number 4 is stand up and dance, Mom. Camper et danser, Maman. Répétez. That's my dog. Répétez. Camper et danser, Maman. Bien fait. Stand up. We do not use prepositions in our verbs. Our action word is complete. Camper means to stand. It also means stand up. So stand up is camper and dance. Et danser, mom, mama. Very well done. Okay, that one should have been self-explanatory. Again, if you have any serious questions on those, go ahead and you can ask about that in the Learn Haitian Creole group. No problem. Now, that was number 4. Moving on to number 5. This one I want to talk about for a moment. In English, you can say, show it to them. But because montrer li, has so many meanings, we reverse it. We put the person who is being shown something afterwards. So we say, show them it. Show Lisa it. Show Bob it. Show us it. That way we know that we are talking about an object. Okay? So that's why the sentence is montrez-yo li. Répétez, montrez-yo li. Montrer. Because our TRs never go tree, try, true. Tre. R is laid down. Re. Bien fait. So that's it for today. Now, the next video, it doesn't have to be it for today. You can go on. I always think after you do the exercice, you need a break. You need to wait a few days and then do the devoir. The reason is the exercice happens right after the lesson, the last videos and the last things that you did in the workbook, whatever that may be. You want to see how much you're remembering instantly. The devoir is for you to see how long can your brain hold information. This lets you know you may be doing too much per week if you're making a lot of errors in the devoir. However, if you're just making a few errors and while you're working on it, you go, oh, I remember that's why I made that mistake. That means you can continue at your pace. Some people try to do one lesson a week and go, it's so much. And then they realize they have to do one lesson every 2 weeks or one lesson every 10 days. So you will have to figure that out on your own. Nous fini. We're done. Remember, fini, finish. Done. Nous fini. Au revoir. And remember, like this video if you're ready to download it, because your next video is your devoir from lesson 3. And you're not doing it right after this. You're going to wait a few days or at least one day and see how much you can remember. Okay. Au revoir. Nous fini.